alert for Montgomery, Miami, Greene, Clark, Preble, and Dark counties in the Miami Valley region until midnight tonight. Levels of air pollution within the region may approach or exceed unhealthy standards. On advisory days, help reduce air pollution by taking the following actions. Take the bus, carpool if possible, bike or walk instead of driving alone. Refuel your vehicle after 8 p.m. Do not idle your vehicle. Exhaust contributes to air pollution. Mow your lawn in the evening hours and avoid the use of gas-powered lawn equipment. For additional actions and information, visit www.miamitheair.org or call 937-223-6323. The Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission has issued an air quality alert for ozone pollution for Central Ohio from 6 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. this evening. The agency expects to see levels of ozone in the unhealthy for sensitive groups range on the Air Quality Index. To decrease the potential for health issues, sensitive groups of people, children, elderly, people with asthma or COPD should limit prolonged or strenuous outdoor activity. On air quality alert days, everyone can help reduce ozone formation by taking the following actions. Take the bus, carpool, bike or walk instead of driving alone. Visit www.goviacommute.com/more for more information. Refuel your vehicle after 8 p.m. Do not top off when refueling and tighten the gas cap. Do not idle your vehicle. Exhaust contributes to the formation of ozone pollution. Avoid use of gas-powered lawn equipment on air quality alert days. For additional information, please visit the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission's website at morp.org/air quality. Now looking at the weather.